Tanda mo pala.
Bulero ka talaga.
Yan naman yung tabi.
Basta.
Could you be the other one so equal to? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like
Ay, buntig na mo. Dali.
honey and there's a wound. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen like la 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 la. Hey, how have you been? I know that it's been a while. Are you tired cause you've been on my mind?
Ikaw, nag-duty ka pa. Ano ba apelido mo? Uy, Mendoza! Tapay ka talaga, ha? Doon talaga. Nagigilang ko yan. Okay lang ba kayo dyan? Okay lang ba kayo dyan? Okay naman, okay na tayo. Okay ba kayo dito? Oo, naman. Okay, ha? Okay kayo, ha? Si Princess, oh. Princess mo na. Ay, Princess.
Hi.
Pwede man ligaw.
Sorry, may bakit ako.
Sino si Ivan?
Hindi, sige mo na ako.
Inom na lang natin yan, pre! Ganyan! Ganyan, wala kang kwenta. Mag-inom na kayo tayo. Ay, Pal, hindi ka nga dito. May bala ka bang tumahan sa fraternity namin? Hindi ko nisipan mo.
Ano na?
Ay, Pal, pag-isipan mo na ba? Ayoko. Pag di mo ginawa yun, may mangyayaring di maganda kay Princess. Sige, tatali ako. Pero papangako niyang walang mangyayaring masama kay Princess. Kung gusto mo sumali, bukas pumunta ka ng alas 3 dito. Kaya na yan! Hapon. Sige, papad. Palo ka kayo to. Oh, ayun na pala, Jay. Ayun pala eh. Okay, may papaliwan tayo nito. Mga mara, mag-send tayo na kayo. Oo, sabi ko. Ang pangalan yan? Ibunan. Ivan to, Ivan. Ivan na. Ivan na.
Di mo na kailangan pa ito'y sabihin.
Ay, mahal din kita, Ivan!
Sa loob ng
Ay, gumising ka na, please! Para sa akin lang! Ay, mahal kita! Tama na, Princess! Wala na siya!
kaya pinilit kong huwag aminin sa iyo. Kung alam mo lang kaya
you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why, but you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so equal to? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, honey and bears, oh. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen.